Hello and welcome to ARCHLine.XP's Virtual Expo 2023. At our one-day event, we will be showcasing the new features of ARCHLine.XP version 2023 together with our partners. We will have exciting topics such as rendering, ZVCAD plugin, MEP with interference checking, and color schemes. For the whole lineup, visit our website, sign up for all presentations you are excited about, and learn in several languages from local representatives, just like an actual trade fair. Watch the presentations live and ask your technical questions in the chat section. You can also contact us by email after the presentations. Don't miss any news and updates. Subscribe to our newsletter, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Enjoy the presentations!